Battlefield 6 multiplayer not installed. So this is a very common bug. You can see it all over support forums. Basically, pre-order people who preloaded the game via EA app, like EA app users cannot access the game, and Steam PSN users just use it normally. But what a joke! And some people pre-ordered the game, and for the past hour I haven't been able to log in through EA Play, but friends are playing on Steam, and there is no solution here. I'm just reading through the forums. So I don't know, just in future, just do not pre-order it via EA, just buy via Steam just to be sure, PSN and so on, but do not pre-order it via EA app because it's super buggy and it's not the first time, it was always like that. So, and there is no clear solution, people trying to get a refund, but that's what it is.